The pickup teeth on your baler play a critical role in efficiently gathering and feeding hay into the baling mechanism. Over time, these teeth can wear down or break, leading to decreased performance and potential damage to your equipment. In this video, we'll examine the teeth and replace as needed. We are using a John Deere 568 round baler with a mega-wide pickup. The same or similar items may be on your baler, but you should always consult your operator's manual for your specific baler before starting any maintenance. Changing that bent or broken pickup tooth is something that can be done by nearly any baler owner and with minimal tools. Overview of steps. Inspect the pickup system for parts that need replacement. Organize tools and replacement parts. Remove strippers that are worn or need to be removed for access. Remove worn or damaged teeth. Install new teeth. Install the pickup stripper bars. Depending on which pickup is installed on your baler, you may find it easier to service the pickup from the rear. If this is the case, raise the gate fully and apply the gate lock. When inspecting, look for any cracks, chips, or significant wear on the teeth. Bent teeth should also be replaced. Run your hand along the teeth to feel for any rough or jagged edges, which can indicate excessive wear and potential failure during operation. This particular tooth shows wear on the side, caused by rubbing against the stripper, and should be replaced. Before we get started, make sure you have all the necessary tools, replacement teeth, and strippers ready. You will likely need to rotate the pickup to get access to the teeth needing replacement. You can either remove the pickup drive chain or use an open-end wrench to turn the lower gear case hex shaft. It can also be helpful to remove the compressor rods for easier access to the strippers and pickup teeth. Next, you'll need to remove the stripper that is directly over the broken or bent tooth. Loosen, but don't remove, the two self-tapping bolts on top and loosen the two nuts on the bottom of the stripper. The stripper is slotted to allow removal without removing the attaching hardware. Pro Tip 1. Improve efficiency by removing the adjacent strippers to allow plenty of room to work. Pro Tip 2. Bent or heavily worn strippers can affect crop flow. Now is a great time to replace those strippers. Bent teeth can cause damage to the strippers. Notice how the edge of the stripper is worn down. Eventually, this could lead to potential issues. Now, let's get to the replacement process for the worn or damaged teeth. Depending on your model of pickup, not all strippers and teeth are the same. In this video, we are using a mega-wide pickup on a 568 round baler to demonstrate replacing the center teeth, right-hand mega teeth, and left-hand mega teeth. Make sure you are using the correct parts for your pickup, as models may vary. Start by removing the bolts securing the old teeth using the hex socket. Pay close attention when removing so you can replace in the reverse order. When replacing a centered pickup tooth, remove the lock nut, bolt, and washer. Square wire teeth have an additional coil which narrows the gap between coils compared to our round wire teeth on regular pickups. Pro Tip 3. A standard hex socket in your set may not have a long enough bit to reach the bolt. A standard hex wrench will work, but ideally it's best to locate a bit with a long hex length to expedite the process. When installing the new center tooth, the coil must rest against the inside of the tooth bar. And don't forget to put the washer back in, as it's important to make sure everything stays tight. Tighten each bolt to the specified torque referenced in the operator's manual. On the 568 baler, the specification on the center teeth is 46 pound-feet of torque. Pro Tip 4. If your pickup has square wire teeth, it's always recommended to replace all the hardware when replacing the tooth. Now, carefully insert the new tooth into place, making sure they are properly aligned. Once in position, tighten the bolts securely using the socket wrench. Repeat this process for each tooth that needs replacement. Once you have replaced the tooth, you can reinstall the stripper. Align the stripper with the slotted hole and tighten the hardware. Do not over-tighten the self-tapping bolts. And there you have it. Your John Deere baler is now equipped with fresh teeth and strippers, ready to tackle the next baling season with efficiency and reliability.